Well, welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today we got the Grizzly and we're going in the mud. I know this is what we took out last time and we're going to some of the same holes. I think we might go in a different hole, but honestly, it's been a heck of a week, guys. My dog had puppies. I've been like literally cleaning deal all week. It's been crazy. So yeah, we ain't had time. Plus, we're going to get a new folder tomorrow, so that'll be next week's video. And I was hoping to go get it today, but then my dog sadly laid on one of her puppies, and yeah, it's been a long day trying to keep her from laying on puppies. So yeah, doing my best to keep them alive right now. So instead, we are taking the Grizzly out for a couple minutes just to release some stress, guys. Let me slap on the GoPro, and I will see y'all in the hole. Man, this thing reeks of gas today. So my buddy went to Busco this weekend, and I was gonna go with him, but I couldn't get this thing to run. It was acting like the starter was messed up, and then once I got the starter to free up, then it didn't want to start. Come to realize, I'm pretty sure my petcock is leaking gas because, yeah, it reeks of gas, and I don't know how I didn't notice it the other day when that happened, but hey, tomatoes, sometimes you miss stuff. You know, that looks pretty thick today. Let's go play in it. So I know this is the war spot. We'll try to avoid this right now. I need to be able to clean the sticks out fast. Hey. And for anybody who's new here, this thing doesn't have diff lock. Why? Because the four-wheel drive is locked in all the time. Why? I don't know. I put a new handlebar switch. Yeah, it's not on right now because I just took it right back off. And the new modal, nothing fixes it. We got a wiring issue somewhere. Oh crap. This is a steep hill. Woo! And people are staring at me. Oh crap, come on. Woo! Oh, tree! Wow! You know, that was a lot thicker than it looks. It's funny that this thing's throwing dust off the clutch. Well, we kind of sunk it, and I did clean it a little bit, but I didn't really do an amazing job cleaning it. Actually, now that I think about it, I never cleaned the clutch off because all I did was put the new belt box snorkel on. I never took the belt box apart. Holy crap, I don't know if y'all can see anything, but I can. Ay. My wife over here waiting for us to go hunting again. I ain't gonna lie, guys, I enjoy hunting, but dang, am I done. 3 deer, clean them all in one night. Like, yeah, no, I'm good for a while. She's like, I'm gonna go again. I'm like, honey, we just killed 3 last weekend. Why do we gotta kill 3 this weekend? Woo! Dang, that's cold. Look how deep it's gotten over the last couple days. Well, hello. I guess after raining all week, I should have expected that. I mean, it's rained for the last 3 or 4 days up till Thursday. Today's Saturday, so yeah. I've had people say, why don't you put a lift on this? It already has a 2-inch lift. These tiles are just too big. There's nothing you can do about it. Yeah, just too big. Anyways. Ugh, man. I'm gonna get stuck here one day. I don't think it'll be today, but one day. Whoa! Whoa! Moment of truth, do we have water in the belt box? Oh, she does have a little bit. I mean, not a lot of it. Probably should reseal the belt box. But that's mainly because that the belt box only has a bolt here, 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 and here. 90% of the bolts are missing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. So the only thing that's holding the belt box on is silicone. I'm not joking. Silicone is the only thing holding this belt box together. Let's go down here and see if anybody's hunting. If they're not, we might go over there. Oh yeah, it's not that wet. It might be a little bit wet, but Yamaha belt box, yeah, even with water on it, most times she'll still spin a little bit. Ah, there it is. We missed a ton. Somebody's been hunting back here. You can see where they've been driving on the side of the road. Oh crap, nope. Well, we're not low. Let's put on the road. She doesn't want to go on low while we're doing this. Plus, she's leaking an excessive amount of gas. We've been doing so good, and now it's like it doesn't want to go on low. It doesn't really want to shift anything. Huh. Oh, I see what happened. The bolt did come out. There you go, we're low. Okay, the bolt walked out. We need to go ahead and fix that because why not? Man, I'm kind of glad I didn't go to Busco today. Can you imagine being in Busco like, it won't shift. Oh, that's cold. Wow, that's deep. Well, we lost the seat. Holy crap. This would be a lot easier if I walked fighting with my own seat. Come on, seat. Uh oh. Well. No. Wait. I should have seen that coming. Yeah, there you go. Come on, baby. Come on. Always has an electrical issue. Come on, baby, come on. Get out of here, come on. Come on. Come on. So I thought this foiler was ready because y'all saw how deep we've been taking it, but I guess she's not ready, guys. Come on. She's been doing so good. You know, I bet what it is that gas got all over everything because the gas was all on top of the engine. I bet it got all over my silicone and yeah, because that's all that's holding the belt box together. And if it went down and went over there, I bet that, oh crap, no brakes. So yeah, that's sad. We lost. We were doing so good the last couple weeks. And now we don't have anything. But we're going to get a new foiler tomorrow, so that should be good. Maybe. I don't know. I need to put brakes on this thing. It pisses me off. It's like either you stop or you're screwed. Yay! But I tried my hardest. She's still got an issue somewhere. I don't know what though, like she was doing, I wonder if the spark plug, because it didn't act like it was getting water really well. It's not gargling, so there's no water in the air box. If you ever get water in the air box, it'll gargle, and she's not gargling. It's more like something electrical got wet and it didn't like that.
One eternity later.
What is it? Bigfoot's back here. I need help. Send help. I got bored of sitting, so I came over here to walk in the woods. There's a lot of deer here today. You might be saying, he's gonna scare the deer away. Yeah, I don't think they're coming out here today. Normally they're out by now, and they're not out, so maybe I'll scare them up for them. Johnny can shoot them. Or she can just sit there looking weird. What is that? What is that? What is that? How dare you? How about the most redneck deer stand you ever seen? My brother built this like 20 years ago, I feel like. Still standing, but it's still ugly as sin.
Eventually.
Look at the little Tobies. There's 2. There's 3. What's 4 at? Is he under? Yeah, he's hiding back there. Right, honey, you're a good mommy.
Hello.
Hello.
This one's the best.
Just the best, the brown one.
His is tater tot.
Oh, that's Tater Tot. I like Chungus right here.
He was the first one.
He's the first, and he's still the biggest compared to all the other ones.
This one's the noisiest.
Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this video. I hope you like the puppies. Aren't they adorable? Like I said, sadly, we lost one this morning. I think she was on top of it. I don't know if she rolled over or if it passed away and then she laid on it trying to hide it. I don't really know, but you can't. Oh, it's my cat. I said, holy crap, there's an animal walk across my deck. But anyways, it's a little sad, so we've been trying to watch her all day. So we decided to finally go hunting for a little while. There's Landon. Hi. We decided to go hunting for just a little while because Jonna really wanted to go. We didn't see anything, but I did play in the woods. Hi, Landon.
Hello.
So that was fun. Anyways, guys, if you don't mind, like, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Our subscriptions are getting low. And we're going to pick up a new four-wheeler hopefully tomorrow. The guy says he's still going to sell it, but he hasn't messaged me back about if he's available tomorrow. Anyways, guys, I will see you on the next one. Say bye, Landon.
Bye.